It's like that's like Taliban. So I would like Caliban, Taliban. So
Kind of. I've heard that joke so damn many times.
yeah, no, but I'm from Pakistan, so I get that a lot more.
Yeah.
So you sell using Facebook, right?
Yes.
So you make money using Facebook because you like to hang out there.
I make literally 100% of my money by promoting on Facebook, and the reason that I do that is just because Facebook is where I'm hanging out anyway. And it just makes things so much easier if I use the platform where I'm going to be anyway. I kind of look for that path of least resistance. It stems from a lot of stuff Colin Terrio says about exploiting your laziness and making it pay off.
So I like to hang out a lot on Facebook. I have 700,000 people on my Facebook.
Okay, that's a lot of people.
Yeah, so how can people who love to hang out on Facebook make money from sitting on Facebook?
Well, the first thing is you have to actually connect with the people that you're working with on Facebook. Facebook does not like it when you promote a product on your own personal timeline, which is why you want to have a fan page where you can announce the stuff that you put out. You want to have a group where you could go into your group and tell people that you have something new that's out for sale. And essentially what you do is you get people to opt in to your groups the same way that they would opt into a mailing list. And then you talk to them the same way you would on a community or a forum. And it's very social. And if you continue to use, we call it social media for a reason. If you continue to use social media to actually connect with people and to work with them in an authentic fashion, then they're willing to buy from you. And they're willing to go and look at your offers.
So what are you selling? So I have a lot of people who have a lot of friends, but they don't know how to sell on. Now, what do they sell?
I sell training on the subjects of the groups. Like I have a group called the Legion of Badass, and that is all about discovering your own unique and distinctive power that you can use to create a business or to follow your passion and achieve your dreams.
Now, badass really means that's amazing, right? Not in a badass, but it's a good thing. It's a good word.
It's absolutely.
But it's more like
it's also an
street word.
Yeah, it's also an acronym. It's belief, awareness, desire, action, system, and story.
Awesome.
Direction, action, system, and story. I got it mixed up with want, need, desire triangle, the iron triangle of marketing. I got so much stuff I'm working on. I get things mixed up all the time.
That's okay. So
it's very frustrating when you're doing like a live thing and it's just like I got my own system wrong.
So they go and create a group. Now they have an audience of 10,000 people. They're talking to them. But then you're selling training through jvzoo.com or?
Yes, I'm selling it through JVZoo, and lately Facebook has been really cracking down on JVZoo links. So I've been moving stuff off of that onto a self-hosted platform. I don't like doing that because I love JVZoo. It's a great platform. It's a great affiliate platform as well. But it's just because Facebook is kind of in charge of the stage that I'm using to stand on and sell my stuff, I have to follow their policies. I have to go the direction that they want me to go, which is a risk.
Do you have a training for somebody wants to emulate you and become a badass on selling through Facebook, like a course for how to make money from Facebook?
I have something called Swift Communities, which is all about it's all about social media and understanding how people move from not knowing you at all to being a part of your tribe and actually associating themselves with you as part of their own identity. And that's a $200 training. I have that available. I don't remember the URL. It's at legionofbadass.com/something.
Okay, and then that's like building your tribe. However, now using that tribe, how do you sell to that tribe, or like can you sell product from JVZoo to your tribe?
Yes, you can sell products from anywhere. I mean, the whole idea here is that it's not about the platform. What it's about is it's about the people. You have to actually care about the people and work with the people and know who the people are. One of the biggest things that I do on Facebook that most people find weird is I'll actually unsell people on my stuff. They'll go, I want to buy your stuff. I mean, is your stuff going to help me with this? Do you cover that? No, I don't cover that. Are you sure I can't use it for that? And people go, oh, it can totally be used for that. Well, theoretically, it could be used for that, but that's not really what it's intended for.
But they still want to buy it, they can.
Yeah, they still want to, and if they still want to buy it, then absolutely they can buy it, but I haven't represented to them that it will do something that it won't do.
You're a very ethical person when it comes to selling.
Yeah, you have to be very ethical because you're putting yourself out there. And it's very much about your personal brand. A lot of people get on social media and they try to go, I'm a big company. I'm the CEO of my big company and my big brand and all of this stuff, and it's got to be you. People don't want access to your brand. It's like everybody's complaining that Facebook has killed organic reach on branding pages. And they haven't really killed organic reach. What's happened is brands have abused pages, and they have been talking at their customers instead of being social and talking to their customers, which is why people are on social media. You want people to regard your brand as their friend. And nobody's friends with Coca-Cola. Nobody's friends with Pepsi. Nobody's friends with 5 Hour Energy or Dasani Water or whatever. Nobody's friends with your brand. You need a person. You need to be a person. That's where the whole thing fits together. Is that you end up being the chief of your tribe by being a person and having the trust and respect of the people that are in it.
Thank you so much. Amazing, amazing conversation. Can you spell your name?
Darklock.
Darklock, and the first name is
Caliban.
Cal.
Like the terrorist organization, only with a C.
So Caliban.
Exactly.
And they can add you on Facebook?
Oh, absolutely.
Or follow you?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
They can add me, they can follow me, whatever. I'm an attention whore. They can do whatever they want.
Awesome. Thank you so much.